So I watch a lot of Pixielocks' videos, and she has this like pegboard in her creative studio in her house, and it looks so good. Yeah. And we have a desk that we use for nothing, so we're gonna give it a makeover.
I'm excited.
We're gonna get a pegboard. We're gonna get this guy.
We have this. Yep. We're gonna get a pegboard. We're gonna color it like rainbow. We're gonna mount it and see what it looks like. But yeah. Cheers.
Hey guys!
So, change of backdrop. We're filming outside today, so sorry if the sound's a little weird.
Might be janky.
So we've had a day.
Been a long day.
My God. So originally, we left the house this morning because we were going to create a video, setting up our TikTok lighting, and we were going to get those LED lights that stick to your walls that everyone has in every TikTok video ever.
And it was going to look amazing.
It was going to be amazing. We went to Kmart, they were out. We called up a second Kmart, they were out. And
because
we were like,
you TikTokers have ruined it for us.
Literally.
So,
that's a video for another day. We're going to order them online.
We're still
definitely going to do it. Yeah.
But quick thinking.
Yeah.
I already wanted to do this because I watch a lot of Pixielocks and I love her decor and I love her style, and if you've seen her house tour, that's my dream.
Yeah. If you guys have seen the video, which me and Millie watched because we were like, oh my God.
I watch it every day.
There's this bit here, just watch it. She pretty much DIYs this like kind of pinboard thing.
It really shook me to my core.
Yeah.
We had a space called the sewing room, which was just for hoarding.
It's our craft section, so we have like mixture of sewing stuff, polyamide clay stuff. I'm in the midst of making a ton of like pom-poms. It's been there for like a year. Like it's got so much stuff there, and we just were like, let's clean it, reorganize so it inspires us to do more craft. Cool. And then we literally have this empty space, all this trash, and all of this was just sitting on that table like a storage place. So we want to put that stuff here into that area.
And so we have painted this. It's from Kmart. It's a pegboard. It's called a pegboard.
Yeah.
It was 29 Australian dollars.
Mm-hmm.
Having some malfunction in the background.
Oh, who cares? You guys.
you know our
This is literally a tablecloth on our like washed clothesline. So
yeah. DIY. So it was 29 Australian dollars. It's a beautiful pegboard. It comes with, it's a white background, so a blank canvas, and then like wooden peg.
Yeah, and we were like,
4 shelves.
Let's paint it like Pixielocks girl. We have paints at home, but we also picked up some for $5 at Kmart too.
Those satin pastel paints.
They've done us well. If you see anything in our house that has like pastel paint on it, it is those satin paints from Kmart.
Yeah, it is. So we thought, what better way to spend our Sunday than
to
having
do
a
this
craft afternoon
for you and for us, because
mostly
we were going to do it anyway.
Entirely for us.
Yeah.
How dare you, underguise? This is all for you. We don't even want this.
Yeah, this is like, I would never have done this. We bought the stuff. We dragged it through the mall. We went to Daiso, picked up a few extra things.
Little bits and bobs,
you know,
for the shelving.
You can't be near a Daiso and not go in. Like that's...
It's my number one sin.
That's ridiculous.
I can't not walk in.
Which way? Christmas section? Party section? Or outdoor section? Let's just go around the whole store. Millie knows this place like the back of her hand.
I'm gonna buy 100 things.
That is like so unnecessary.
I'm gonna get 10.
Wow, look at this guy. Look at this little
of TikTok.
Oh my God, that'd be so funny. Okay, we just asked someone and he said yes immediately, which is a good sign. And he said it's just in the back corner where the service desk is. So. Okay, the lady at the service desk said there's none behind. It would be on this wall.
Oh, it ain't.
Oh my God, apparently 5 people have asked for it today alone. Okay guys, change of plan. They don't have the lights that we want. So we're gonna order them online, I reckon. We'll order them online, they can get delivered when they restock, whatever. We'll do a different video for that. Today, Millie has a great idea.
So I watch a lot of Pixielocks' videos, and she has this like pegboard in her creative studio in her house, and it looks so good. And we have a desk that we use for nothing.
Yeah, it's
kind of
sewing
storage,
desk, but it's just storage.
Sewing desk. So we're gonna give it a makeover.
I'm excited.
We're gonna get a pegboard. We're gonna get this guy.
This, yeah. We're gonna get a pegboard. We're gonna color it like rainbow. We're gonna mount it. I don't know if we'll put it on the wall.
No. We're just gonna like prop it up against the desk.
Yeah, we'll prop it up and see what it looks like. But yeah. This isn't a Kmart haul, but like, look at these lights.
Oh my god.
Look at this light situation.
I want this for Patty.
This is what they're doing. It's Christmas. It's capitalism at its finest.
And I am a sucker.
Millie's getting lured in by the Christmas hype.
I'm a capitalist dream.
Yeah, you are. I'm excited!
Arts and Crafternoon.
Yay, yay, yay! Sunday sessions! What do you reckon?
We have a lot of like loose knickknacks and I have a lot of like earring making stuff, so I'm gonna put them in here.
That's a good idea.
Eggshell?
Ah, cute! Some Japanese drinkies for while we work.
I got the peach iced tea. Tash got the coffee.
Yeah, cold coffee.
It could be black, you don't know that.
That's okay. It'll be delicious. There's gonna have so much sugar in it anyway.
Low sugar.
Oh. So then we came home and had a little break, cracked open our drinks, and then we realized quickly there are 7 holes going horizontally on the board, and we only had 4 colors. And then some quick thinking.
We actually had more colors.
We actually, because we buy those paints quite a lot, had 2 more colors. But hey, that's only 6, and we needed 7. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna double up.
We're gonna double up, baby. So our plan, I was like, Millie, you're the pastel queen. I'm really bad at this sort of thing. Like, I need to be told what to do. I can execute, I can't plan.
And I can think, but I can't
execute. Suck at execution, which is what I
execute.
learned today, which was so funny.
I'm the ideas guy.
Yeah, you're all ideas, and I will do the action from now on. Because Millie has been a wreck. She has been an absolute mess. I think she got too excited. She was like vibrating with excitement, so everything was going everywhere. And she was like,
my shirt is covered.
Yeah. You've been a mess. You're like a baby.
Baby just paintbrushing.
Yeah, you're like, maybe I'll just finger paint it.
This is how the greats did it. This is how Picasso did it. This is how Van Gogh did it.
That's what Millie's been saying all day. Our original plan was to do blue on it, like bookmarking it, and then some series of colors. And then Millie was like, okay, I'm going to start with yellow. And I was like, cool. And then she painted the first strip yellow, and we immediately were like, well,
also, yellow was the one that we had the least of.
Yellow we had like this much of, so we really could have only done it once.
Yeah.
And Millie was like, I don't know why I did that. I just don't know.
My brain glitched.
Yeah, so again, quick thinking, and lucky us, because we have so much craft shit. We had fluoro yellow and white, and we mixed it to make a baby yellow, and we had enough for 2 things. And lucky for that, because
yeah, Bob Ross was right. Happy accidents, and the yellow looks really good.
It looks
on
so
the other side.
good.
There are no mistakes in art.
no. Nah.
I think Bob Ross was wrong. There are definitely. It looks amazing.
It looks good.
After hours of toiling.
Yeah.
In the hot Australian sun.
It wasn't even that long.
We're gonna color block it in pastel colors. It's gonna look really cute.
Let's do it.
Woo!
Let's do the unboxing.
All right, I'll have a good unboxing. Oh, this tape, my mortal enemy. Nailed it.
I really hope there's like no assembly required.
It better not be. Oh. Okay.
Yay!
Shells.
Shells.
Oh, they have little shells? Perfect.
So 4 shelves.
Yeah. Of varying lengths. Oh. Their instructions.
We don't need them.
Seems pretty straightforward. It smells like fresh wood.
Yum. Hell yeah, a blank canvas.
That's what we're working with.
Sweet.
Beautiful.
Alright, we're gonna get started on this paint job. Alright, so we're about to start on our project. We have 2 brushes. One is brand new. One has been used and I tried to get the paint off as best as possible, so let's see. And we have 4 colors. So they're from Kmart and they were only
$5.
$5 which is sick. Alright, and we have 2 Japanese drinks from Daiso. I have my tin of coffee, which should be cold and delicious.
And I have peach iced tea because I'm basic.
Cheers.
Ooh. Let's get creating.
Oh, it's milk coffee, thank God. Oh,
Yeah.
it tastes like Japan.
Takes me back.
Mm.
Boss coffee.
Alright guys, wish us luck. Mwah. We had our cold drinks, we finished painting, and then we were dabbling with whether to paint the kind of the peg bits that go in to hold the shelves up, and then we were like, you know what, let's relax, let's tone it down a little.
I think for once we said it might be too much, which we never say.
We never
usually, as you guys know, we're over the top. But I think it looks really good without the pegs being painted.
It looks awesome. So we're really happy with it.
We're gonna call this is a Kmart hack, guys.
Yeah. So you guys don't have Kmart, but I assume your Target sells the similar stuff.
Even like a hardware shop, I think. This is like a very hardware.
You guys can for sure do this. And literally it took us like an hour max.
Yeah.
So
grab a friend. It's like such a fun afternoon.
Yeah, it was really nice.
So we brought all the stuff home, and my boyfriend, who now lives with us, was not super pleased that it was, you know, we're bringing home a rainbow giant pegboard.
We did leave saying, hey, we're just gonna get like an LED light, and then we came home with like pastel colors and a pegboard, and being like, woo!
Where do you draw the line though? Like LED lights, totally fine.
Yeah.
Giant pastel pegboard, that's a hard no. And so obviously I had to respect his decision, and now I'm single. So if anyone is out there looking for someone that can put up with this situation, I'm just gonna have to settle for Tiasha.
So we're really happy with the result. This is the finale. We realized when we were filming the time lapse that you couldn't really see the colors, which is great because this makes it all the more better.
It's a huge surprise for y'all.
Yeah. So here it is.
Woo!
Fairy lights. So that's it, guys.
That's it.
What do you think?
Let us know what you think.
Oh my god. You know what? I am living for this backdrop.
I'm living for
Maybe
it.
we should do... What do you guys think? Should we do more of our videos with this backdrop?
Probably.
And if you hear a ticking in the background, it's our guinea pigs drinking water, so...
Oh, he's so thirsty.
So let us know what you think. Let us know what you would have done differently.
Let us know if you're gonna do it.
Yeah, please.
And if you do, send us
Send us
photos.
pics. Send us pics. It drives us crazy. I love it.
I love watching people make stuff.
So we're aiming, and make sure you yell at us if we don't do this. We're gonna post 1 video a week till the end of the year. We're planning to hit 10K subs very soon, and we're very excited about it.
Please.
We're gonna do something
Support us.
special for that, but shut up. So, but that video will probably come out as our first video next year. That's our plan anyway. We just want to say thanks so much for like sticking with us this year, and you've really made it special. And
We've only been doing this for a year, and it has been really fun, and we're
really
gonna keep going.
And we love you.
We love you all.
So much. So that's it.
We hope you guys liked it, and as always, Follow us on Instagram.
Yeah.
Follow us on YouTube,
Yeah.
unless you already do, in which case, thank you.
Yeah, thank you
Don't
very
forget to
much.
hit the notification bell.
No.
I'm still very excited, as you can tell. And as always,
Keep it cute.
and keep it sweet.
Mwah!
You guys are really awesome.